Grape Slushie by Sadhana. What do you need? Half cut grapes, 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar, and half a cup of water. Let's get started. Take a pan, heat it up, and pour half cup of water. After the water is partly boiled, put the grapes in. Now add 3 tablespoons of sugar and mix it until you get a saucy texture. After you get a color and consistency like this, you can move on to the next step. Now put the rest of the grapes into the food processor and mix it until you get a smoothie-like texture. Please feel free to add some water if your grapes does not grind. Pour that mixture into a cup like this and pour our grape sauce mixture into that cup too. This is an optional step, but you can cover that cup with an aluminum foil before putting it into the freezer. And that is the easy and simple way to make grape slushies at home. Hope you try it. Bye!